you developed organisms that could, the requirement for photosynthesis, let's go back, is that you have organisms which you can radiate with light, and that light is absorbed by the organism. But in general, when light is absorbed in most molecules, it raises the molecule to a higher energetic state, and in that higher energetic state, it tends to break chemical bonds, so it's destructive. The light falling on matter either is converted to heat or it is involved in breaking down bonds and destroying structure. Somewhere along the way, this anaerobic life, the life that was existing, learned to, learn is perhaps not the right word, came to make molecules which would take the energy and very, very quickly transform it into a chemical bond form before it could start breaking bonds. So it was building up out of the photo energy, was the new thing that was discovered. That's photosynthesis. And there aren't many molecules that can do that. Basically, even today, after several billion years, there are only two classes of molecules that can perform photosynthesis. In any case, the molecules doing the chemosynthesis was much simpler. But once the photosynthesis was discovered and you learned how to make those molecules, then you had a much, much greater source of energy. All that solar energy could then be used to run the biosphere. And so that became the dominant form. And of course, aside from caves and vents and so forth and so on, which are still anaerobic today, most life is run by photosynthesis.